Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best windshield repair kits on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Rain X600001 Windshield Repair Kit. It's tough to start a list like this with anything other than a very affordable kit from a well-known maker of glass products. Said to repair all types of laminated windshields by minimizing the appearance of chips, this product has been reviewed by over 16,000 people, which is a very large sample size. Not everyone was happy, borne out by the 18% of customers who gave this item a 1 or 2 star rating. Still, an examination of negative reviews seems to point to either unrealistic expectations or user error. In fact, the seller explicitly states that the crack vanishes when examined at a 45-degree angle and that poor resin is achieved when it is applied too quickly. This will apparently leave air pockets, a source of consternation for some complainants. Pros: affordable, includes the tools you need. Cons: specific set of instructions to follow. Number 2. Our second best pick is Permatex Windshield Repair Kit. Most of those who cared about the Rain X kit recommended this stuff instead. Priced ever so slightly higher than the Rain X kit listed above, Permatex is also a well-known brand that's been around this space for ages. According to the BUMF, this stuff makes a permanent airtight repair of bullseye-style windshield damage measuring up to 1/4 on the round. It's a complete kit that provides everything needed for the repair, including easy-to-follow instructions with photographs. Perhaps it's the latter that makes the kit easier to use for some folks. Pros: resin cures by natural sunlight. Cons: potential for long shipping times. Number 3. Our third best pick is ZBrush Windshield Repair Kit. The upgraded windshield repair kit contains a special repair fluid with a shear strength of up to 20 Pa. Even if the glass is broken, the repaired part will not break. After the repair is completed, no harmful odor will be emitted. Windshield repair kit is suitable for repairing all types of laminated windshield fragments and cracks, such as bullseye, half-moon cracks, loopholes, spider webs, star damage, long line cracks, and scratches. Best for car exterior glass. Before maintenance, clean the glass surface, and then squeeze the repair fluid into the cracks. After squeezing, place the car in the sun to dry and solidify quickly. After 10-20 minutes, use a spatula to remove the remaining repair fluid. Vacuum the cracks before injecting the repair liquid, which can quickly remove the air in the cracks, so that the repaired windshield can be firm and beautiful. The car windshield repair kit is small in size, light in weight, and easy to carry. Even if your car does not have windshield cracks, you can prepare several windshield repair kits in the car for temporary needs. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Blue Star DIY Windshield Repair Kit 2-pack. Blue Star is a brand of beer in the land from which I hail, but, apparently, it's also the name of a DIY windshield repair kit that costs roughly $10. The company's copy editor must be an exuberant individual, since the ad is full of exclamation points. Full of them. Really? The kit doesn't come with a tripod-style repair tool, instead relying on single-use round cups and an injector that looks for all the world like something one would find in a medicine cabinet. Some customers complained about its design, but, for the most part, folks were happy enough given the price of it. Pros: very affordable, made in America. Cons: some carping about syringe design. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Clearshield Professional Bridge for auto glass. To be clear, this is just one part of the entire arsenal of tools one will need to fix their windshield. However, we're including it as an example of the amount of money professional shops have sunk into their tools and why those facilities don't use the El Cheapo kits listed here. The bridge itself is well over $100, with various O-rings and end seals costing extra. This doesn't account for the resin or other consumables used in the repair, not to mention the technician's time. Suddenly, a $50 deductible seems rather reasonable for those of us with full glass coverage. Pros. Pro Tools for the Pro is a definite pro. Cons. Needs many more items to be useful. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.